How to create Shopify account. So if you want to create a Shopify account, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and search for Shopify, and go for the first search, which is start selling online or start a free trial. So go for the first option and go for start free trial, which is on the middle of your screen, and then scroll down and go for skip all and enter your country or your region, and then you can use your email to create your account, or you can go with Apple, Facebook, or Google. So I'll be choosing email. Once you've chosen, now you need to enter the email address from which you would like to create your Shopify account. So you need to enter the email address. Once you enter the email address, you need to create a strong password. So make sure to enter the password, which must be at least 8 characters and can't begin or end with a space. So enter the strong password. Once you enter the password, click on create Shopify account, and that's it. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes and it will automatically log you into your new Shopify account. And that's it. That's how you can create a Shopify account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.